Hello everyone, this is Emma with the Software Training Lab, and today we are going over painting on a mask and combining two images. We'll talk about what masks are and how they work. Masks are a way to hide part of an image or layer without erasing it, and it's a way to combine images in a non-destructive way. We'll start by talking about painting on a mask. First, you'll have to make a mask. To do that, you'll select your layer and then click on the Japanese-looking flag in the bottom right corner. This will add a little white box next to your layer. When we paint on it, you'll want to make sure that the white layer is selected. So the white layer has the white lines around the box indicating that that's the layer you're on. You'll be using the paintbrush tool to paint on the mask. You'll only use two colors. You'll be using black and white. Black reveals and white conceals. You can also make masks from selections. Before you click the mask button at the bottom, you'll make the selection first. I'm just going to make a quick rectangle selection. Once you have your selection, you click the mask tool and it will cut that shape out. If you ever want to invert your selection, hit Ctrl-I and it will invert it. And once you have a mask, you can see that it will show a black and white version of it in the little box next to your layer. Next, we'll be going over combining two images using the mask tool. You want to put all your images you're using into one file. You can do that by just dragging the picture over to the tab and releasing it on the canvas. With the images I'm using, I'm going to use auto align for my layers so that they match up the best that they can. You don't always have to do this when you're combining images, but if there are two images taken at the same place, it might be a good idea. I'm going to select both the layers in the Layers panel. Then I go up to Edit at the top, Auto Align Layers, and this will bring up a panel. Auto will work fine. Then hit OK, and then it will auto align your layers. There might be some empty space, so you can just crop it out. You'll go to the top layer, select it, and make it a mask. Once it's a mask, you can start painting on it with the paintbrush tool. And it will start to reveal the image underneath so that you can combine both those images together. That's everything for painting on a mask and combining images. Thanks for watching.